Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we are talking about Chase Bank, and more specifically, we're talking about Chase QuickDeposit and how long until your funds are going to be available if you deposit a check into your Chase app with the Chase QuickDeposit. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Chase QuickDeposit, basically what it is you can deposit paper checks or money orders that you receive in the physical form directly into your app. So you do not actually need to go to the ATM most of the time. Most of the time you do not need to go into the branch. You can easily just scan the check from home with your mobile device, and then that money would be deposited into your bank account. So that's really convenient, and it saves you a couple of trips depending on if you get a lot of checks for your business or through your employer. But how long until the money's available in your Chase bank account? Well, that kind of varies, but there is a way you can find that information in the Chase mobile banking app. So I'm going to walk you through that right now, especially since banking policies and timeframes can change from time to time. So this way you can find the most recent information directly from Chase. So first off, what you want to do is go ahead and download the app if you don't have it already. If you don't have it, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. Or you can easily download it in the App Store or Google Play. It's this blue and white app. It's called Chase. I'm going to open it now. All right, I went ahead and opened the app, and it's asking me for a login with my Touch ID. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that now. All right, I went ahead and logged into the app, and this is the home screen. It's going to list off all the different accounts that you have with Chase, but we're not going to worry about that. What you want to do is go ahead and click this little icon right up here. It looks like a little person, and that's where you're going to be able to find most of the Chase banking information, including the quick deposit timeframe information. So I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and opened that, and what you want to do next is go ahead and click on this FAQs. I'm going to click there now. All right, next what you want to do is go ahead and check on line number 3, Chase QuickDeposit. I'm going to click there now. All right, next what you want to do is click that line number 2, and the question there says, when will my money be available? So I'm going to click there now. All right, so here is the information directly from Chase. And again, keep in mind this quick deposit information could change at any time, so be sure to follow those directions to get the most recent information. But according to Chase here about quick deposit, what they say is if you deposit a check into the quick deposit by 11 p.m. Eastern time, so Eastern time is the time that New York goes by, and if the deposit happens on a business day, your money's typically going to be available by the next business day. So that's pretty convenient. But they are also saying that if you deposit on the weekend or after that cutoff time, then they are going to determine that your account was deposited on the next business day. So for example, if you deposit on a Saturday, and then Monday is the next working day, your deposit will be marked as starting this process as of Monday, so it should be available by Tuesday. Now, they also let you know that sometimes there can be delays, and that could be for a lot of different things. Maybe they're verifying the funds, possibly there's an issue with your account, possibly there's a longer hold time for your account. So they're kind of leaving the door open to let you know that it's usually by the next business day, but not always. What about you? Do you have experience having a deposit last longer than one business day? If so, leave me a comment, let the rest of us know why that was. But hopefully you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.